Hey everybody, we're going to be taking a look at a beautiful home today. It's the MD61 by Kabco Builders. I toured this home at the Biloxi Home Show last year and it was really gorgeous. Never got a chance to do this voiceover, so we're going to see it today. As you see on camera there, that's Mac, their sales manager at Kabco. Great guy, always willing to help. This one here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a 32 by 76. It's got a beautiful office, a great little like butler's pantry. We're going to go in and see it. This one's also full painted sheetrock. You can see their upgraded LP shutters on the house as well as vinyl siding. They have a lot of different options. You can do LP siding, whatever you like. And this is a beautiful 8-light door that they have. Really nice. You can do standard doors if you want. When you walk in, you got a little foyer area. They use some shiplap accents here around the windows. Give it that good rustic look. It's also no carpet in the entry. A lot of people not wanting carpet nowadays, and that's always a plus for allergies to not do the carpet, and that's an option in every Kabco home. It's also that flooring is a vinyl tile, which is individually laid, and it's more durable than linoleum. Gives you a lot more options when it comes for the quality. This office here has a beautiful shiplap wall, ceiling fan in it. It's actually got 2 shiplap walls. Great little place. It could be used as a retreat, an office, but you could do kind of like a little sitting room. A lot of different options. This is also one of their upgraded doors they have at Kabco on the interior doors. It's a solid wood door made of actual planks. Really nice. And then you got a little side exit off here, also framed with that plantation trim. You can see on the doorways as well. It's cased that way. This is your butler's pantry. One of the things I love now is that Kabco is doing wood doors and soft close doors on your cabinets in the MDs, and that's a standard, so that's really nice. You can see here that they use the PVC drops and the PEX plumbing throughout the house. We always love that as well, so you're not going to have to worry about your pipes bursting when it freezes, but also your pipes do run through insulation. And when we order any home by Kabco, we're going to upgrade your insulation to a thermal zone 3. Make sure it's very energy efficient. And for our display models, we always order them as a wind zone 2, but you can do a 1, 2, or 3 depending on your needs. Got a little pantry here, and they did the upgraded shelving instead of that wire racks. The wire racks are standard, but these upgraded shelving is something a lot of people prefer. And it's the innovative closet shelving if you like it. Going in the kitchen, you can see some big pot and pan drawers, a smooth top stainless steel stove, a beautiful backsplash and hood vent, rolled top countertops. We absolutely love the rolled countertops. It means when you spill water, it's not going to go down behind there. You see that this kitchen is very well framed out. I'm going to probably pan over in a second so you can see the rest of it, but that is real ceramic tile. It's not that wallpaper you see in some homes. Right off this, you see the living room, but we'll peek at that in a second. You got the sink in the island. Now, some people don't care for that sink in the island. We can easily change that for you. It's not a big deal. A lot more cabinet space there as well around the refrigerator. There's a lot of storage in this kitchen. You got kind of a formal dining room set up. That pillar helps separate it all. It's still a very open floor plan, but it gives you more of the formal feel without it being closed off. Also, you got the beautiful beam in there, as well as that stomp ceiling. And this one has an electric fireplace with shiplap accents on the side. It's very open. Absolutely great for chilling with the rest of the family. Let's go check out the rest of this house here. And as you can see, it is that painted sheetrock throughout. Now, if you don't like that plantation molding, they do have the white molding that you can do. And they do have 3 different colors on the shiplap as well. So you have all those different options to make it more what you like. And if you don't want an electric fireplace, they also offer a wood burning fireplace as well. Now in that office we had the upgraded door, but as you can see on the bedrooms here, they have the 2-panel door. This can be bedroom 2 most likely. It's good size, easily fit a queen size bed in here with nightstands and a dresser. And it looks like it's got a really nice walk-in closet. They did the wire racks in here for the kid bedroom, but you can easily do the innovative shelving throughout. And also, don't want to forget that all the windows are thermopane windows, and it looks like this house does have the 2-inch blinds, but 1-inch blinds are standard, so you can have those. You got your fur or no little coat closet or linen closet, whichever one you want to do here. And then right next to that, you got the bathroom, and then across the hall here is the utility room. It's good space in the utility room for your washer dryer, and we got the nice mop sink as well. And you got your rear door that swings out. You got the whole home shut off, little storage space there. If you wanted to do cabinets up above, you could. If you didn't want to do a mop sink, you can do that as well and have a folding table option. One of the great things that Kabco lets us do is custom design the floor plan so we can move things around. Go check out this guest bathroom here. They do have real china sinks. Now, you can do metal faucets throughout if you like, but plastic faucets are a standard feature, and they do offer the bronze and nickel packages. Huge transom window there, lets in that natural light. It looks like it's a big Vanderbilt tub shower combo, fiberglass. Gives the kids room to soak in the tub. And bedroom 3 here, about the same size as the bedroom 2. It's got the 2 big windows letting that natural light. And as y'all see, there's no carpet in this home. Of course, if you do like carpet in the bedrooms and living room, that is standard with them, so you can do that as well. Closet's not as big in this room, but we can kind of finagle that if you want. Or if you kids don't need too much storage space, that's great as well. Walking into this master bedroom here, see a large king-size bed with 2 nightstands on either side. It's got the nice ceiling fan. There's a dresser in there. It looks like you got room for some more furniture if you wanted. Even could mount a TV on the wall and run coax ahead of time if you wanted as well. 2 big windows in there. Looks like there's a lot of options in how you lay out this room. You could put the bed on that wall. Maybe not that one, but definitely on the one with the dresser on it. And it's big space, a lot of room in your bedroom. Space for a little reading nook if you wanted. Going into the master bedroom, you can see this beautiful vanity setup as well as the freestanding tub. You can do a built-in deck tub if you prefer, and they have the ceramic tile shower. It looks like this is the 6-foot version. If you do the 8-foot, you probably have to rearrange the bathroom, but it does have the nice bench seating. You got the rain shower head. They do have handhelds you can option in as well, whichever works best for you. Then going over here, now we'll take a look at the vanity. You got plenty of storage space around there. 2 doors and 3 drawers. You could add more if you like. With 2 sinks, that big mirror makes it real easy to get ready for the day. And you got your private water closet. Now, some folks don't really like that. They're claustrophobic. That's okay. We can also do an elongated toilet in there, give you more room. But whichever works for you, like I've said, we love to customize these homes for you. And it's a huge master closet. You can double hang the shelves if you like. A lot of different ways you can set it up to work best for you. This house overall, the MD61, is a great little layout. I haven't had too many people looking at doing it, but if you wanted to, you can change it up. I'd love to see somebody custom design this. As it's shown, you're right around the 180 to 190 price range, depending on who's selling it, what options are including it. For us, we'd probably be right at the 185 as a wind zone 2, including delivery, set, AC, skirting, steps, and that upgraded insulation. So, I mean, you got a lot of options. There are, if you add, like, say, for instance, the LP siding, you are going to be more around the 193, 194 mark because it is a more expensive siding. If you decided to add different fireplace or do some engineering design, you will have a little bit of a charge there as well. Now, if you guys enjoyed this tour or any of the tours you see on the channel, make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure you like this video and go ahead and let me know what homes you'd like to see in the comments or what your favorite part of this home was. If you have questions, give me a call, shoot me an email, whatever you need to do. I'd love to help you. Y'all have a great day and thanks for watching.